In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the invisible filter on TikTok. If you think this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end without skipping any part. Now the first thing you need to do is download the video from TikTok. If you're trying to download it from TikTok, you can try tapping and holding the screen, and if there is an option of save video, you can tap on it. If there is not, you can tap on the share button that you see on the bottom right and then copy in the link. Once the link is copied, open up your web browser and search for TikTok video download. You can use any of these websites. Just paste in the link and tap on download and the video will be downloaded. Once the video gets downloaded, you need to again open up a new tab and then search for TikTok Invisible Filter Remover APK. Once you do that, tons of results will open up. You can choose any of these websites and you need to download the APK, which is the app, onto your phones. You can just open up the website and tap on download, and once the app has been downloaded, you can use the app to remove the invisible filter of your TikTok video. So that was it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.